Alright, I just wanted to show these 3 planes I got from that old boy that died. This one, I looked all over the internet. It's stamped on the end H. Cameron on both ends. I didn't really find anything on that. It might just be a custom piece made by a guy. Little wooden piece that holds in the blade. It's pretty good. I showed that one in another video where I did this corner. This one says Fulton on it, and I think that came from Sears and Roebuck. Fully adjustable difference, left and right kind of thing. Pretty neat. But this one has got to be from the 1800s. I have that peg someplace. I must have lost it in my storage shed. But this is one of the oldest ones that you would ever find. And it's marked A.C. Bartlett's Our Very Best Ohio Plains. On the internet it says this turned out to be the True Value company that still exists today. But this was from the 1800s. Looks like that'll come right out, but it might be breaking. I don't want to mess with it. It's nailed in there. This wood peg holds in the blade. I'm not sure if that goes in first like that. That might be actually the way it goes, based on the markings of it. I don't know how that depth works out though. And that angle might just be so old it's not really usable anymore. I haven't really tried it. Military jet's so loud it makes car alarms go off. Living in Tucson.